Hello children, welcome to your JC class. Today we are going to read about an interesting creature of the world. So, any guess students? So tell me the name of that living thing which has two eyes, one beak, two legs, two wings and one tail. Name this living thing. Very good. This is your bird. So today we are going to read about the birds. So let's start. So here you can see different colors of your birds. So like us, birds have also different body parts. They have two eyes, two wings, a beak, two legs and a tail. The body of the birds is covered with feathers. So you can see here different colors of birds are there. If you start from left side, then see first one is your red color, then orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, then purple. So different colors of birds are there. Why their colors are different from each other? Yes, their color is different from each other for the different type of feathers. Okay, so remember students, all of the feathers of all the birds are not same. Their feathers are different from each other. That's why they have different colors of feathers on their bodies. Okay, and that is different from each other. So let's study the body parts of a bird. So you can see this is your beak, okay, then two eyes, then feathers, then this is your wings, then two legs, then one tail. So you can see all the parts of a bird. Yes, this picture and this naming you should practice in your copy at least 3 to 4 times. You have to make a drawing of a bird, okay, and you have to show their body parts also. Okay, so how many body parts are there? 6 body parts. Okay, first one is your beak, in Odia that is thonto. So with the help of beak only they eat their food. Then eyes, then feathers, wings. Wings only help them to fly. Then legs and tail. Okay. So first we will read about the beaks. First we will read about the short, hard and strong beak. Okay. So birds like sparrow, pigeon and peacock have short, hard and strong beaks. So you can see their beaks. Yes, their beak is very short. Okay. And obviously it is hard and strong. So how this beak help them? This beak help to crush seeds and grains they eat. Okay, so these birds, this type of birds, they eat the seeds and grains. So as they have strong and sharp beak, easily they can crush. Okay, they can crush their food. So you have to remember, if the question came, write the name of any two birds which have short, hard and strong beak. You can write sparrow or pigeon. Okay. Then we will read about another type of beak, that is your broad and flat beak. You can see their beak, that is flat. Okay, means that is not pointed. Okay. So which type of bird have broad and flat beak? Water birds like duck and goose have broad and flat beak with tiny holes. You can see the hole. This is the hole. Okay. This is the hole. Okay. There. So what is that need of that hole? That holes. Okay. That tiny holes on either side of the filter, on either side of the beak to filter out the excess water. So if the birds they have the excess water, they can filter out through these holes. Okay. So here you have to remember the name of the birds which have broad and flat beak. That is your duck and goose. Then another type of we will read, that is your strong, sharp and hooked beak. Okay, you can see their beak, that is like a hook. Okay, like this way it is there, yes or not? So this is like your hook type beak. Okay, which is very strong and sharp. Okay. So which type of birds they have this strong, sharp and hooked beak? That is your birds such as eagle, vulture and hawk. Okay, they have strong, sharp and hooked beak. So how this beak help them? This beak help them to tear the flesh what they eat. Okay, so we can say that the strong, sharp and hooked beak birds, they eat the flesh. Okay, so we can also say they are the carnivores. Okay, so the birds who have strong, sharp and hooked beak, they are obviously the carnivores. Okay. Then another type of beak, that is your long and pointed beak. So you can see their beak, how much this is long. Very good. Long and pointed one, pointed and sharp also we can say. So sunbird and hummingbird have long and pointed beaks. Okay. So how this beak help them? That long and pointed beak help them to suck nectar from flowers. Suck means what? To absorb. Okay. Absorb the nectar from flowers. Nectar means which is very sweet in taste. Okay. So we have completed this one also. Then your short and curved beak. Okay. So parrot has short and curved beak which helps them to crack open nuts and seeds. So easily the parrot can you can say that can open, okay, open and easily, and they can eat the nuts and seeds. Then strong, pointed and chisel like beak. Woodpecker and your hoopie. Okay, they have strong, pointed and chisels like beak, and this beak help them to make holes in tree trunk and pull out insect. So trunk, you know, okay, the stem in case of the trees, it is called trunk. So if in the trunk, if any insects are there or small animals are there, then this woodpecker hoopy, they can easily make holes in the tree trunks, as they have strong and pointed beak, okay, and they can pull out the insects or animals for their food. Okay, you can see the picture also. Then, so we have completed the types of beaks of birds. In the next video, we will read about the feet of birds. Okay, and another thing it is there about the last type of beak, that is your spoon shaped beak. So you can see in this picture, their beak is like a spoon structure. Okay, so which type of bird have this spoon shaped beak? Birds like spoonbill, okay, they have spoon shaped beak. It helps the bird to gather tadpole and small water animals from the pond and the other water bodies. Tadpole means the baby frog, okay, the baby frog is called your tadpole. So these birds like your spoonbill, okay, their beak help them to gather, means to collect the tadpoles and small water animals from the pond or any other water bodies. Okay, so we have completed the different types of beaks. In the next video, we will read about the feet of birds. Okay, so you make a list of birds according to their beak and remember it. Okay, thank you.